Simplifying rational expressions. Question 1. X square plus 4x divide x plus 3 times x square minus 9 divide x square plus x minus 12. From first fraction in numerator we are taking common x, so we will get x plus 4. In denominator will be unchanged, x plus 3 times x square minus 9. We can use a square minus b square formula. It means a plus b times a minus b. So we can write x plus 3 times x minus 3. And this expression we can factorize. So we can write x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 12. Right? So 4x minus 3x equals to x, and 4 times 3 it will be 12. Right? So now here is x plus 4, x plus 3 times. It will be unchanged, x plus 3, x minus 3. In denominator we can take common x, so here will be x plus 4. We can take common minus 3, so again x plus 4. Now x times x plus 4 divide x plus 3 times, here is x plus 3 times x minus 3. So from here we can take common x plus 4, so here will be x minus 3. Now we can simplify. X plus 3 divide x plus 3, it will be 1. X minus 3 divide x minus 3. X plus 4 divide x plus 4. So here is only x. So where is x? B is our right option. Very simple math and also very important math. So number 1 done. Second question. X plus 3 divide x plus 5 plus x by x square plus 3x minus 10. So these rational expressions we need to simplify and find out the correct option from A to D. First step, it will be x plus 3 divide x plus 5. It means first fraction will be unchanged, plus 6. X square plus 3x minus 10, we have to factorize this one, so we can write x square plus 5x minus 3x minus 10. 5, here will be 2, right? Here will be 2. So 5 times 2, it will be 10, and 5 minus 2, it will be 3. Okay? So here is x plus 3 divide x plus 5 plus x, this 6, and in denominator we can take common x, so here will be x plus 5 minus 2 common, again x plus 5. So here is x plus 3 divide x plus 5 plus 6. We can take common x plus 5, and finally we get x minus 2, right? And now we'll make LCM. It will be x plus 5 times x minus 2. This case, once we divide this x plus 5 times x minus 2 by x plus 5, we will get x minus 2. So this case we can write x plus 3 times x minus 2, and here will be 6. Now in denominator we need to expand. Why? Because here all options are like this. So we can easily write this one, x plus 5 times x minus 2. It will be x square plus 3x minus 10. X square plus 3x minus 10. And here we need to expand. It means x square minus 2x plus 3x minus 6. And here is plus 6. So minus 6 plus 6 out, and finally we can write here is x square plus x, and divide x square plus 3x minus 10. And in here in numerator we can take common x, so here will be x plus 1, and divide x square plus 3x minus 10, and this is our correct answer. So which one is similar? X square plus x, it means here we can keep just here. This is our answer. So number A is our required answer. So this video I'm trying to solve two math based on rational expressions. It's a very important. Please subscribe my channel. From this channel you can get lots of things based on algebra 2 and set math preparation. So next video will come very soon. Till then, take care, keep practice, and don't forget subscribe my channel. Thank you.